We are at Beech Creek Botanical Gardens in Alliance, Ohio. Hi, Clark. Say hi. And we're out exploring with Daddy and Mommy, and we've been here for a little bit, but we are taking the Fern Ridge Trail. It's one of a few hiking path trails that they have. This one's about a mile in length. I think this is their biggest trail. And Clark, the line leader, is always way ahead of us. So this place from where we live is probably no more than a 20-minute drive. And this is our first time here. We've never been here. We have neighbor boys that their dad takes them all the time because they have a family membership. And their little boys love it here. So we were told that there's lots to do, and we are a family who loves nature. We like to hike, we like to explore. We haven't done this for quite a while, so it's always good to go somewhere new. There's lots of gnats, lots of little buggies out. One mistake I made was I did not pack bug spray, and I probably should have. Oh well. You can hear the road. And admission to this place is $8 a person. Kids 2 and under are always free. And today, tomorrow, and Saturday, I guess they're having special tours. There's a couple different activities for kids, I think, that are free. There's a building of some sort, I don't remember the name of it, that just opened today. And you can get membership, a family membership. I had specifically asked about that. Good for admission, for 12 months out of the year, as many times as you want to come, just like how regular memberships to places are. And it is $60 up to six people who live in the same household. And that's a pretty good deal, because just the 3 of us, we paid $24, and another 36, you can come as many times as you want. And like I said before, it's only like a 20-minute car ride from where we live. So if you love nature, I'd say check it out. And we've only been on one trail so far, so more fun to explore. So stay tuned, come along with us.
Mark, what kind my foot here, what kind of track is that?
Deer track, I think.
It's a deer track, yes it is.
Good job.
Alright. Let's keep going.
You passed it up. Oh, Daddy, he likes to hunt deer, so he can catch that stuff. Right?
I see numerous mushrooms too out here. Different types of mushrooms. Some of them you can't eat, some of them you can. I haven't found any chicken of the woods yet, or whatever they call, or hen of the woods, or I really haven't looked around too much. Whew.
What do you see up there?
Oh, so like a TP thing. So those trees are all together?
Like a teepee thing.
Yeah, like
Let me see. See if I can get a close up. See where they're kind of together like a teepee. And we're still on the Fern Ridge Trail. We haven't made it around the mile yet. We made another discovery. Ooh!
It's a fungus or mushroom.
What is that, Daddy?
I don't know what kind it is, but sometimes certain ones cut with me. Certain ones you can eat, but if you're not sure, you don't want to eat them. You want to make sure you identify them correctly. You got to learn how to identify things. That one I'm not sure on.
That's big.
Yeah, there's what they call hen of the woods, which is really edible. You can actually slice it up into like pieces and fry it in a pan and eat it with a little bit of butter.
Oh.
It's actually really edible.
Hmm.
But I don't know if that's it or not. I can't remember. It looks similar, but usually it grows in big clusters.
Oh, there's a creek way off yonder. Nice and peaceful and quiet. Remnants of a mushroom.
Here's one. There's part of it. Somebody knocked it over.
Uh-oh.
I wonder if there's any more. Knock it over anymore?
I don't
Pieces of mushroom.
like remnants mushrooms. Ew.
What you doing with that stick there, mister?
So remnants.
Can't tell if there's any more in this area or not. Hard to tell.
Let's go.
Yes, line leader. Oh, it says we have to go to the left.
That way looks like a non-trail.
Yep.
Very good. Follow the path. More mushrooms. I wonder what kind these are.
I don't know. This might be chicken of the woods.
Chicken of the woods.
It might be. I'm not sure.
Yeah, wait, we're looking. Chicken of the woods, maybe.
Bye. I'm going. Bye.
Bye.
I'm videotaping. Talk like you're excited to be here. Yay! More mushrooms. These ones are creamish colored, I think. We need like a fungus book. You find any different kinds of leaves, Clark? I know you like different kinds of twigs and sticks. Let me see your twig. Oh, you put it down.
It might be edible, but it's hard to say for sure.
Yeah.
Put it on my mushroom identification and see what it say.
Felt like something stinged me.
Stung you? Oh no, honey, I doubt it. It's probably just a bunch of the little buggies flying around. Clark said he had to take a break and hydrate himself. And look at these cute little benches.
Trail was like.
They're statues of squirrels.
No, the bunnies.
Well, that one, but they're holding acorns, honey, so they're squirrels.
Okay.
Bunny's ears are bigger. Much bigger. Usually. So we finished Fern Ridge Trail. Clark wants to take a big break from trails.
Oh, okay. I'm not going on that one.
Oh,
That one was like,
maybe later.
yeah.
But we're going to cross back over the bridge, the
Yeah,
stream.
there's a stream.
Then we're going to find out what kind of kids...
Little rock tower there.
Oh, yeah. I want to see what kind of kids stuff they're having going on. They got butterflies and different things. There's that rock tower he was talking about right
Little
there.
rock towers.
Oh, and then another one right there. Where's that?
But there's another one over here.
Where's that other rock tower? There it is, right there. Those are pretty neat. Did you see another one? And let's see. Oh, it's a small one, right? Right there, it's a small one. Yeah, that's pretty neat though. Some kids probably came and did those. Okay. Let's go see what other kinds of stuff we can find.
Yeah. You need to turn this way, cause
This is nothing going on in this building, but we had took a peek earlier inside the windows and it says welcome campers. So they have camps at this place, and so they do some camping activities inside.
is that a trail?
That is the main road.
It's the main road.
The nature playground area.
Ooh, the nature playground area?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I just want to peek in that window.
Which one?
That one up there.
Up at the top?
No, it's fine.
Go ahead.
Why?
Go, I can see you. Real quick though, because Daddy's getting a head start.
Come on.
Go on.
I just want to be alone. Alone, I'm waiting.
Okay. Look in the top window of this building. Lots of steps. Whew. Oh,
School supplies.
camp and school supplies. Yep, because they have camping activities downstairs, and so this is in like an attic where they keep supplies. Oh, that's nice. Somewhere to store them, right?
It looks like this used to be a. Looks like this place used to be a house. A house.
Possibly.
So then they have the attic up there. So it's called an attic.
All right, Daddy's the line leader, and he's like, can you catch him? There he goes. He's off to the races. I'm coming. Okay, so we're coming up on Nature Place, which is the nature playground. Whoa, rock climbing. Have fun, bud. Oh, neato. Oh, wow. Ooh, that breeze feels good. It was getting kind of hot. Let's go take a look at the playground here. Tube slides. Oh, mud. Mud to play in, I'm assuming. Looks like gravel. Oh, they have chalk. How neato. And you can draw. You're an ant. What do you see? Different words. What are you happy for? What things are growing in your life? Pretty cool. And they got chalk baskets. Oh, and this looks like a little theater. Maybe they put on some kind of a puppet show or something. An dinosaur and fossil archaeological site. Oh, they got some tools in here. You could dig for some different kind of fossils. Neat. There's a bridge. There's more to the play area. Wow. Here's the back of the stage. I think it's for puppet shows. Oh my goodness. You could do some weaving. You can climb up this ladder here, and there's a humongous bird's nest to play in. More digging. Mud pies, rolled ice cream. Mud play. Oh my. Play in the mud. It's really nice. And way off yonder, there's more. Part of it, maybe like a tree house. And a little shelter. Picnic tables. Some did you know facts about Nature Place. A sensory path. Pretty cool. Sensory path. Different textures. Ooh, it's getting really bright out here. I'm sorry if it's not focusing well. And they got a part over here for balance that's under construction right now. Find out where Clark is. I think he's still on the tube slide. And this is oh, there he goes. This is going to be it for part 1 of Beech Creek Gardens and Nature Preserve. We'll be back for part 2 with a possible special guest, but our special guest may not like being on camera, so more things to explore.